Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix your Roblox home screen not loading. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent the game from loading properly. Next, completely close and then reopen the Roblox application. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Also, it's a good idea to quickly check the official Roblox server status page to see if there are any widespread issues affecting everyone. These initial checks are crucial first steps. If restarting doesn't work, the next critical step is to clear your Roblox cache. To do this, you'll need to navigate to your computer's application data folder, typically found in your user profile. Locate the Roblox folder there and delete all the temporary files and cached data within it. This process removes any potentially corrupted files that might be preventing the home screen from loading correctly, often providing a fresh start for the application. It's a very effective troubleshooting method. When other methods fail, a complete reinstallation is often the definitive solution. First, you must completely uninstall both the Roblox player and Roblox Studio from your computer. This ensures all old, potentially problematic files are removed. Then, visit the official Roblox website to download the absolute latest version of the game. Performing a fresh installation guarantees that you have all the correct and up-to-date game files, eliminating many common loading errors. This step is highly recommended. Finally, if the problem persists, consider some advanced checks. Make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated to their latest versions, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Also, temporarily disable any virtual private network or firewall software, as these can sometimes block Roblox's connection. If, after all these comprehensive steps, your home screen still isn't loading, it's time to reach out to Roblox's official support team for personalized assistance. They can offer further guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.